For the very first time, we are hearing from the woman at the center of a lawsuit involving Dalton Village trustee Andrew Holmes and the mayor, Tiffany Henyard. The woman accuses Holmes of sexually assaulting her. NBC5's Regina Waldrop has been working on this story for several months.
She's the mayor's former assistant, and we want to make it very clear, we did not interview her. She provided us with a link to a pre-taped statement that details what she says happened during and after a taxpayer-funded trip to Las Vegas. She says she's a survivor of an assault, and the time has come to share her story.
But this has been a long journey for me already.
Fania Dukes filed this civil lawsuit against her old boss, Dalton Mayor Tiffany Henyard, and trustee Andrew Holmes, accusing Holmes of assault and Henyard of retaliation.
I'm fighting for every woman that's been in my position. I'm fighting for a sister that doesn't have a voice. I'm fighting for a sister that's scared.
The incident allegedly occurred May 24th last year during an economic development trip to Las Vegas that's now under federal investigation. On that trip, Henyard, a handful of Village and Thornton Township reps, and trustee Andrew Holmes, whom Fania called Uncle Drew.
He made everyone feel comfortable. I've even been in places by myself with him, in cars, wherever, by myself, plenty of times before ever anything. And he's never gave me an inkling of he'll harm me, he will make a pass at me. He's never done any of that. My last memory was me waking up in his room.
The suit details a conversation between Fania and Officer Byron Miles when they returned from Las Vegas. Miles was a member of Henyard's security detail at the time. He claimed Holmes told him he had unprotected sex with Fania in Las Vegas. The suit also alleges Holmes, in a video call to Officer Miles, showed Fania partially undressed in his hotel bed. Officer Miles advised Fania to seek medical care, according to the lawsuit.
You're the only person that stood up for me. Opened your mouth.
According to the lawsuit, Fania claims she was fired shortly after bringing the accusation against Holmes to Henyard. Officer Miles was removed from his role in the mayor's security detail and demoted to patrol duty. Miles has also filed a civil lawsuit, and the Department of Human Rights launched an investigation. The Village told us in a statement it conducted a thorough investigation into the allegations led by an independent third party. It goes on to say Officer Miles was interviewed and denied knowing anything about the allegations. Ms. Dukes refused to cooperate with our investigation, it says. This is nothing more than two disgruntled Village employees trying to make off with taxpayers' hard-earned dollars. The Village looks forward to defending these allegations. Trustee Holmes didn't respond to our repeated requests for a comment. Fania says she started a foundation to support women like her.
Hoping that if you are a victim, please find your way to contact me or any of my people, and we're going to help you. Because you need a voice, and if you don't have your own voice, I will be.
Dalton trustees hired Lori Lightfoot, Chicago's former mayor, to lead an investigation into Dalton's mayor. Tonight's Village board meeting gets underway at 6:30. In Dalton, I'm Regina Waldrop, NBC5 News.